Organize your pantry like a pro. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful topic: how to organize the pantry. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just someone trying to make your kitchen more functional, this video is for you. Let's decode what it means to organize the pantry and share some effective tips to get it done effortlessly. A pantry is a small room or closet in your kitchen where you store food, dishes, linens, and provisions. The goal of organizing a pantry is to make these items easily accessible and neatly arranged. It's all about creating a system where you can find what you need when you need it, reducing clutter and maximizing space. Organizing your pantry has several benefits. Saves time. An organized pantry saves you time looking for ingredients or supplies. Reduces waste. When you can see everything you have, you're less likely to buy duplicates or let food expire. Improves meal planning. With a clear view of what's in your pantry, planning meals becomes a breeze. Enhances kitchen aesthetics. A tidy pantry contributes to a more pleasant and functional kitchen environment. Step 1. Empty and clean. Start by emptying your pantry. Take everything out and give the shelves a good clean. This step gives you a blank canvas to work with. Step 2. Sort and declutter. Go through your items and decide what to keep, what to donate, and what to throw away. Expired or unused items should be removed to make space for the essentials. Step 3. Categorize your items. Group similar items together, like baking supplies, canned goods, spices, etc. This categorization makes it easier to find what you need. Step 4. Use storage solutions. Invest in baskets, bins, and containers. Label them for easy identification. These storage solutions not only keep your pantry organized but also make it look neat and tidy. Step 5. Maintain the order. Lastly, make a habit of keeping your pantry organized. Put things back in their designated spots after use, and do a quick tidy up regularly. Organizing your pantry might seem like a daunting task, but with these steps, it can be very manageable and even enjoyable. An organized pantry not only makes cooking and meal planning easier but also turns your kitchen into a more inviting space. We hope this video helps you transform your pantry into a well-organized part of your home. Happy organizing, and see you in our next video.